Here's the combo clean floss from Tanachi. This was sent to me so I could try it. This will be the second floss that I've tried from them. Yeah, I tried their toothbrushes and their floss. Really like both. This one is for implants, bridges, and braces. So I don't have a bridge or an implant, but I do have a lot of bonding around a baby tooth. Ew, that's gross. So I'm excited to try this to like really get around it. And I've watched my sister. She has a bridge, and I know she uses a special floss, so I'll have her try this as well. Ooh, look at the, oh, sorry, box little dispenser. It's nice to hold. I like the shape, and you can see through it, so you always know how much is left. So this is a bi-colored dental combo clean floss featuring a revolutionary rigid thread designed for effortless cleaning of challenging areas. Okay, it's got an expanded section for accurate cleaning, and then it has a rigid thread so you can get it in there. So let's pull some out. Okay, we're getting it. So you can see right where to cut it, where the color ends. So I'm gonna put this here, and then there we go, and then leave this part out. Great. So this part here is more rigid, so you can stick it into the bridge or whatever and then pull it through, and then once you get to this part, this is the actual cleaning part because it's expanded. Once it gets wet, it helps too, and it's nice and textured and kind of like a little bit of a scrubber, because that's how the other floss I tried is too. It feels like a little bit of a scrubber in between your teeth. It's great. So I'm gonna just give this a quick try off camera on the tooth I mentioned. Okay, I just tried it. I would definitely suggest getting this part wet first. Otherwise, it's kind of like the texture of cotton, and it almost feels like it could kind of like drag or get stuck. But once you get it wet, it's a lot better. But yeah, you just put that rigid part in and then pull, and it definitely gets in there. So if you have implants, bridges, or braces, you might want to give this a try.